For times when you are on the move and want to carry your cash, cards and phones securely, a modern card holder case comes in super handy. With a compact design, it also ensures your iPhone doesn't look bulky either. Notably, there are some cases that provide the neat kickstand functionality and even deliver the trusted safeguard against impact. On this very note, let's explore the best card holder cases for the brand new iPhone 16 series. So first off, I would like to highlight the VRS Design Orb Wallet Case. VRS Design Orb is a modern card holder case with an impressive profile. Thanks to the durable construction, along with the fortified corners as well as the raised edges, the case is designed to provide the 360-degree shield to your iPhone. What's more, you can also count on this lightweight wallet case to offer an anti-slip grip. However, the best part about this case is the hidden slot wherein a couple of cards can stay comfortably inside. Then I would like to take your attention to Smartest Wallet Slayer. Sporting an elegant profile, Smartest Wallet Slayer doesn't take long to catch your eyeballs. Despite featuring a relatively slim form factor, the Wallet Slayer is fully capable of withstanding impact as well. Reliable protection aside, it also features a slot on the back to let you carry a couple of credit cards with ease. Interestingly, you can even use it to prop up your iPhone in the landscape orientation for a hands-free video streaming experience. And now it's time to talk about Wanlin card holder case. Both in terms of stylish look and convenience, the Wanlin card holder case is up to the mark. Equipped with a sturdy profile, the case can withstand shock while also offering the non-slip grip so that you can hold your smartphone securely. The inclusion of the bevel edges on the rear side and the phone makes sure that the display and the rear camera module also have the extra layer of protection from scratches. However, the biggest selling point of this case is the hidden space that lets you store a couple of credit cards. And finally, I would like to highlight the Dux Deuces card holder case. There is a lot to like about this pro-looking wallet case from Dux Deuces. First and foremost, the case allows you to store a couple of cards without making your iPhone look old-fashioned. Courtesy of the detachable design, you can convert it into a slim case as well. Better still, the clear back also lets your iPhone shine through, which is a big plus in terms of style quotient. Even in terms of protection, the Dux Deuces card holder case has got enough to take on impact and ward off scratches. And that's pretty much it. So these are the 4 best card holder cases for the brand new iPhone 16 series. Hopefully you have found my top picks up to the mark. Now that you have known my picks, it's time to share your favorites, and I'll see you in the next roundup. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye-bye.